everyone, welcome to my channel. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to see more videos from me. In today's video I tried out the new concealers from Fenty Beauty. I tried out two different shades and this was the final look. So if you want to see how I got this face, keep on watching this video. So a little bit more details on the products I tried out. I also used the Fenty Beauty foundation, and my shade is in 420, and this is a soft matte long wear foundation pro filter. And I also used the Fenty Beauty primer and it says soft matte pro filter instant retouch primer, and this is what it looks like. And I also use the Fenty Beauty matchstick for contouring, and this is in espresso. So the two different concealer shades I used were 490, 390 and 380. I used 390 underneath this eye and on the top of my forehead, and I used 380 underneath my left eye, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, above my cupid's bow, and on my chin area. I really love the sheer looking glass bottle. I really like that. I especially love the applicator tip because it's flat on two sides, and I feel like you can manage the product you have a lot more control over the product with a wand applicator. Like comparing it to my other concealer that I used to use, I don't necessarily like this applicator because I feel like it can get really messy really fast, and I don't have a lot of control over the product, and I also feel like I have to work more just to get the product out of here sometimes. So definitely loving this applicator. I feel like this concealer is so creamy, and it just glided on so smooth, and it felt really soft onto my skin, and I just love the applicator. On the website, 390 is described as being for tan to deep skin with warm yellow undertones, and 380 is described as for tan to deep skin with cool undertone. I don't necessarily think I have cool undertones. I think I have more warm. So I just wanted to try out both of them because I ended up picking these two colors actually because I watched You Love Meg's, and I also watched Jackie Aina's video. You Love Meg's, she tried the 380, and I was like, oh, that looks like it might work for me, and Jackie tried the 390. On the website it also says that the concealers are instant photo soft. They provide instant photo soft coverage for all. They're supposed to be long wearing, light as air, and crease proof, and they came in 50 soft matte shades, and it provides medium to full coverage. As far as 390, I wouldn't necessarily use this as my concealer shade because I feel like it just blended into my skin. It doesn't give me much of a brightening effect under my eye and on my the areas of my face that I use it, like right here where the sun usually hits or natural light usually hits. 380 on the other hand, I do believe that it does give me a little brightening effect I use it under this eye, my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and here. So I do think it did give me a little brightening effect. So I really love that. So yeah, 390 I wouldn't necessarily use as a contour as a highlight shade. overall, like I said, I'm just like, I'm in love with my look right now. Oh, I feel like my skin looks so smooth, like it's ridiculous. Where I apply the concealer is like so smooth, and it just looks so soft. It looks really like skin, and I definitely do not see any creasing at all, period. So I'm loving, loving, loving it. I also got the Fenty Beauty Light as Air Setting Photo Soft Finish Setting Powder, and this is, and it says Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in the color Hazelnut, and this is what it looks like inside the box. And this is what it looks like. My camera cut off in the middle of me talking, and I don't know if it caught this, but but as I was saying, this extra cap that they put inside the box that came inside the box for the setting powder is so you can put it on top of the powder, on top of the container, so it's like a spill proof cap for the powder. And yeah, it kind of prevents you from spilling. And like I said, like I was saying, I feel like this is really brilliant because I've had powders, I've had blushes where as soon as I pop the top open, it's like spilling all over the damn place, and I'm like, I do not have time for this. It's just a big hassle. It's annoying. It's a hot ass mess, and I don't have time for that. Like, and this is just brilliant and genius because I've never ever seen any company or any brand that has done this. I mean, if you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. But I've never seen anybody do this, so this is like brilliant. I'm gonna try to use a little bit just so you guys can see what it does. I don't want to use it too much. So it's an all over setting powder. So I do feel like it's a good fit for me. It's in the color Hazelnut once again, and I really do love the packaging and everything. So I mean, to be honest with you guys, like, I don't even mess with any other brands. Like, I F with Fenty brand because ever since she released the foundation, I have been using this. 9 times out of 10, you guys, I'm not even wearing makeup. Like, I'm not a product junkie. I'm not a makeup artist by any means, even though I'm doing this review. I just felt like I wanted to try out the products and do it on video and post it on my channel. So I really F with Fenty because I feel like, alright, speaking from a business perspective, I can understand when brands or companies come out and they're like, okay, you know, this is my niche, this is my target audience, and all of that cool stuff. But I feel like if I was going into business, especially into an industry as huge as the cosmetic beauty industry, I would have taken the same approach that Rihanna took, 100%, because what she did was she catered to just about everybody, no matter what your complexion or what your skin tone or what your shade was. She catered to everybody. So I would have definitely taken that approach because I'm trying to make a product that is accessible to a wider variety of people, a wide range of people, and duh, that's going to be more money for my company because a lot more people would be buying my product. And I mean, if I'm running a business, I'm not trying to go bankrupt or anything like that. So what she did was brilliant. It was genius. How you take a whole singer and you cross over into a whole nother industry and you're beating the lames at their own game. Like, I don't know how she did that, but she's like doing the damn thing. She's killing it. And the most impressive thing of all is that these products are actually quality and they work, and they're doing the job that, you know, they're supposed to. I get it, you know, I'm not about to go back and forth with companies, spending my money, trying this product, trying that product, trying this foundation, trying that foundation. I'm not about to be arguing with companies, going back and forth, fussing with them, and be like, why you ain't make a shade for me, whoop whoop. Like, I don't have time for that. I'm just gonna go over here, I'm gonna chill, and I'm gonna spend my money with the brand, with the company, with the person that actually cared enough to cater to me, that took the time, took the energy, took the effort, put in the research, put in the money to cater to me and to cater to people that look like me. And at the end of the day, as a consumer, that's all I want. I just want something that works for me so I can go about my daily life. You feel me? So she did the damn thing. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, I feel like Rihanna, you did a really good job. I'm loving this concealer. Definitely gonna be a staple for me right now. I'm gonna show you guys what 380 looks like. This is 390. Prior to this, I was using Fawn by LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's high definition. I'm just gonna swatch that here.